All right, guys, welcome back to our YouTube viral here, Austin. Today we're going to be reviewing some fans from Lian Li. If you guys have paid attention to our other videos, we reviewed the the SLs by Lian Li, the daisy chain connectable fans. Well, they did it again. Lian Li came out with the ALs, which are very similar in design, but we'll get right into the differences. So, as you can see, we have a computer with fitted with the ALs. We built this bad boy, super nice. Obviously, it's a viraled out, full white build, AL120, running 9 AL fans. So let's get into the differences here. So Lian Li came out with these last year, daisy chainable fans. A pin connector here. To be able to get rid of cable management, which is super nice. As a builder, I actually absolutely enjoy these. I think they're wavelengths above other manufacturers as far as technology when it comes to fans. You can have up to two cables per fan, which can get very hectic in the back when you're running fans. So obviously, I'm a big fan of theirs. So what is going to be the difference here? Let's get into it. So you got your LLs, which really show LEDs on the outside of the fan. And then you got your ALs, which actually have full RGB inside the fan. So as I hold them up, you can kind of tell the difference versus the SLs versus the ALs. As you can see in the computer too as well, they really show a bright color. Lian Li went further and revamped their software, so you can control each individual fan. Also, there's little, as you can see, there's little triangles on the outside that you can control as well. So these are going to show right here, these little slits. These can be individual changed as well as the middle of the fan, so which makes it super nice. These are a 120 millimeter fan. I do believe 140s are on the way. Do feature it in black. Black is super noticeable because you can tell when you incorporate RGB inside the fan, you're gonna have to make it white. So if you're going more of a sleeker look for a build, this is more Tron-y feeling, and then this is kind of full RGB. So as you can tell, the price point is the same retail. For a pack, it just depends on where you get it. So $99 a pack, 3-pack for 120s. Pretty standard everywhere, but I'm a huge fan of these. One of my favorite fans to build with early on was the Corsair QLs, just because of how many LEDs they have in the fan. It was around 41 LEDs per fan, so really make a vibrant look when building a PC. So. All in all, it's really personal preference. I love building with the SLs from Lian Li, but the ALs have really made an impact with me personally, just because of the look and feel that they can give on a build. So, all white build. When the computer is actually off, they do make a nice crisp because there's no gray hardly. So having the all white is really nice. A lot of people complained that these were gray. It's really just personal preference at that point, but. The gray rubber feet here, they went all out and did just everything white. So they really listened to feedback from the customers, and then the little things like the sides of the fans, you can tell the differences here. The ALs are rocking this square look that's just finished really nice, and then the SLs are just rocking the kind of Tron-y feel. So. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I just wanted to get on here and kind of review these fans here for you. Once again, my pros and cons of each really is the pros are just they're awesome fans. They connect very seamlessly. If you're a builder, if you're a buyer, if you're building your own build, these are the fans that I would recommend. Simple fact of cable management, and they look really nice. The Lian Li software, as in previous videos, is super easy to use. I mean, you control fan speed just by a click. And then they went even further and made a revamp of their software, so that way you can control in the ALs, excuse me, you can control each individual fan. So this can be red, green, and blue, and so on. So cons, I would say, really price and availability. Price it would be a pro. Availability would be the con. Hard to get. They are in stock, I think, at Newegg. At us here at Viral have those as well. So all in all, just a great fan. Really love building with these. So yeah, that's about it. Till next time, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you later.